Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Josefina Bernardo.
Okay, and you're from?
I'm from Philippines.
How old are you?
I'm 47 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm single mother.
You're a single mother. How many
Yes.
children do you have?
I have one daughter,
One daughter. How old is your daughter?
14 years old.
And she's staying where?
With my
Here?
mother.
With your mother in Philippines?
Yes.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Um, Next month.
Next month. But when will your visa expire?
So, this coming September 13.
So after September 13, you can start for a new job.
God willing.
Yes.
And I pray that.
Okay. So September 13, after September 13, you can start immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
I have a sister in Sharjah.
Sister in Sharjah.
Yeah.
Okay. Please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
When I wake up, 5 o'clock, I'm starting to my work.
Okay.
The first, I'm going to the kitchen to cleaning the table, to prepare the breakfast.
Okay, so you prepare breakfast. Okay.
Yes.
So how many children are under your care?
They are 10 adults and 3 children. The son of my employer, he is living there inside together.
Okay, 10 adults and 3 children.
Yes, ma'am.
You're assisting the adults and looking after the 3 children?
Yes, yes. What is that? I prepare also the food for them.
The foods.
Yes.
So, what do you like most about your present job and why?
Beg pardon?
What do you like most about your present job and why? For example, do you prefer cooking, cleaning, or looking after children?
I have usually when I cook, when I'm cleaning the around the house, around the what's that back the garden. Also I sweep the floor.
Okay, so you enjoy
And then I wash the clothes every day.
Okay. You wash the clothes every day.
Yes.
So describe in details, how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, the toilets, and which part of the house are you going to clean first? Which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Which has the house?
Which part?
Which part? The sala.
Okay,
And
so
the rooms.
the living room.
The living room also.
How do you clean the living room?
From the top or from the what is that?
You will start from
The
top to bottom.
to bottom.
Okay, so for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you change the bed sheet?
2 times a week.
2 times a week. So twice a
Yes.
week you change the bed sheet.
Yes.
And the
But
toilet?
every day I clean the bathroom.
Every day you clean the bathroom.
Yes.
But how many times in a day do you clean the toilet and the bathroom?
When they are used and then if call me, I will clean.
So
But
after
usually once a day.
usually once a day, but
Yes.
if they use the bathroom, you have to check.
Yes.
Okay.
Always.
So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I didn't hear you clearly.
Okay,
No.
there's a delivery man outside and your employer
Yes.
is not around. What are you going to do?
If nobody here, I will tell to the delivery man. So I will sign and then give me if what is the papers.
So you said you cook breakfast. What
I
kind
cook
of
breakfast,
food? What
lunch,
kind
and dinner every day.
Okay, so you know how to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
To all my prospect employer, please can you help me? I need to work.
Mm-hmm.
because I want to earn the money to support my daughter and my family.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Sifina. Thank you
Thank
from
you,
Thank
ma'am.
DCB.com. Thank you.